Osha aye CA38 no. Or say which banned all parties and organizations that were confined to or identifiable to any racial, ethnic, or religious group with effect from 31st December 1957. And you know, see Abeka say, and Kofo we mudi, and we intending, and we are come for, and we are Sante for, and we are Zema for, me as Sala for, see a better some pepe money, money, it frowns on it. 1957. How many years? It is a kunya, a hopeless, the son of the hopeless, who has lost hope. No okobiena no be make sad or chances. It's very, very sad. When the entire sad, the Hutus and the Tutsis, Rwanda. We see we are coming. We see we are coming. Almost 2 million, now almost 1 million. You come cold-blooded or Rwanda. Liberian war, ABC. The Sierra Leone war is here. Okay, the Nanumbas and the Kokumbes. The 2 Ghana. Okay. Yeah. Ya pay it was on your mother. Now, and I know the Akobane said, freedom fighters. You why you have the Kwakwa say Ghana fragrance rice. Ye fear biano, ye sent to ho. Obi a boy dini, Nananu boy dini, I am for 4 boy dini, a soft 4 boy dini, a bishop's 4 boy dini, educated 4 boy dini. Omo muni bie boy din esikafo boy din o say come despite me na boy din omo trans no mu din komo boy din enti yaw ana ehyem kofo nim say wan mu kura nie asomesi ben kura ba ni sa ohene na efe ni David no na ma me ba ben ni famous shows no wo fa se ben ba ni efe ne say ayi Freeman na wan kura ba ni mama ba no aye wo mu wawa because ye mfiri sa busua no a eye the bourgeoisie no ye mfiri bim ye papa na ma me mu ni bi but nyame adom ye and what tell ye ni monyam ene nyansa
doctor ma me fa we nhim o hwa yen sene yeti obi be ma ye scan san yetumi akasa sene ye kasa yi ye hia obi scan san yetumi akasa na ana obi ene betumi abehye yen ana obede yan san yetumi akasa na o hwe ya
Debi ohene hono kra de sebio ya inim say ya koye nim no sania eye Avram kan no no kore o ma start ye background checks o mo ye ko obi afiem ye ko obi abusiem ne abusebusa ne atresi school a wo koye wanko school efusia ben no free mu obedu abrochire da ben enkrata ben no wo bi ana wo ni bi e ma me nka bibi kyerem eduma na ye no wo mo ankasa wo mo ka Akufo Addo wo mo kura pope si ye ne mo but ye ntumi mbodi nti ana me nso me ka kira mo say every freedom fighter bia no CIA hwe tiemie eduma na ye di nya grow na no mo te say ye ko se bi nkwasiafo bebre kokon wo parliament e ba BBC me send koma BBC fo me send ma the Guardian me send ma newspapers kuku dam e wo krom ha. Everybody is monitoring. Everybody is watching. They ever call the next phase, 2022. No. Ebeji ye paying for them because the Akobane said, ye be ma abrofona tiase say, sika no wo de ma Akufo Addo, wo mfa nya adwuma. Bosian wo mfa nya adwuma. I don't see how videos now they come at BBC and Sky TV for. They be catching a woman say, "Mahunu, nkwasiafo na mo sika koma wo mo no." Omo na jina hono living legend omo jibisa omo nyene
okay na me de plan na me say ye ho report wo UK mame no
yeah
and me free Berlin by na o match Frankfurt police actually me letter say memra on the 4th of January na ye medin komo bi na o ma wurewurem akoyi ayi bi ade aba nti na hanom so de no me ka se o ma to ma dwunim
o na se me ka kira o say ahafo police for no din komo e je fe bi interpol nti e be ya cross akwa ko din komo nti de nya
na dia de
eya nkofo say Sebio yeba ye gaya no de debi unim de wo ewiase no the truth set man
Aden udi akuma be di agro yan jimun dintin ya see the third force o ba because yem pay me maka chiro me say Michelle wona fufuo be president Mahama Michelle wona fufuo be almost freedom fighters yem be boa na Mahama mbra power na Mahama ba pa freedom fighters for mobile ye good and you say ye maka chiro me say yen freedom fighters ye sika wo ye person o man ye because me no at the end of the day no anya me ni bidi enen suka de menye di ana de menom de okay o da se be ho kire me kura me wo fate ase wo kire me ma mete ase wo ti ase aha enti anya kura de me ho kire me kura me grandmother te ase wo ti ase enti mre ni do a me send numbers no de amamo agban suma na gba be no go so nim se ma send the message a catch say wo fa wonnim na sai pa 11 we ye pass wo wudi ye be bo wudi akopem time wo time kura nkenso ye di dua ne be bo wa no pa wiane anajo sending the message back or sending me emoji no su agban suma na gba be me sending the message voice note or send ne respond or the man no su emoji or the bam no su yes oni musa ma me ka kire no enkofo we ye die wa be good Ghana for nwuma be good banks abe good nwuma rough abe send nwuma rough yeah sorry koda ya say gabi about fear at in what capacity and all the bad now. Now you understand the reason why I say the third force ever. Now you people understand why I say the third force ever. Because Yenji Mahamandi, I don't trust him. This kind of his posture now. Why I don't say, oh, Yesu Christo, hey, Yesu Christo, do me no sorry them could bank or for Yesu Christo. No. When you know your enemies, when enemy was fairness such a wa, also come up with measures to defend your people, to protect your people. You have 3 years. 3 years, ewa. 3 years, ewa here. The winning is getting closer. They can sense say you are. They already told Akufo Addo in January after they swore the swearing ceremony. They told Akufo Addo national security every phone. They said, "You, Mr. Man, this particular election, the winning was not on your side." Yes, Akufo Addo was brief. Kasi muka say ye ni mun semo e koswana. Akufo Addo da wona. Play na ya o kwatene mu de kwa up and down ni nyina no. Sometimes o da wona. Telling you the truth. He knows. Adan Akufo Addo enyensem ni na ne mo konkokubusa attach ye cousin to Akufo Addo. The seat na Akufo Addo tes wo no. Wo free so attach na be fa asase. Mo nkobusa no. Wani Akufo Addo any ono any cousin any Foriata, what is going in between them? In Tawantawa wo things are not going well. The people know so they have lost. They know so they have lost our head. Na fedi wo John Mahama. Ye jeji wo sun kakra. Ye defa okrokro kakra. O be man kofu we ni mu abegu we ni mu ase tantantan sa. Ye nuane say na me. Ye nuane say na me. All these people come to you. These people, they know say they have lost. They know say NPP knows say they have already lost 2024 election. Enashe Baumia, Ghana's Papa Ajasco, Baumia, Dr. Baumia, Ghana's Papa Ajasco. When the fundamentals are weak, the city will expose you. Today, fundamentals are not weak, the fundamentals are dead. I will continue. Your friend say 40 man, then, and to me, resuscitate. Your friend is saying, CD no, the CD is dead, and they were free. Fundamentals are weak, no. Maybe them see when the fundamentals are dead. We're free when the fundamentals are dead, no. And then we baby a hoko. And then digitalization.